Studying in Canada is one of the most expensive ways to migrate to Canada. We can all agree. If migrating is your goal, being an international student in Canada will cost you up to 4 times what a domestic student pays. Nonetheless, there's ways that you can raise the money. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 5 ways you can raise the funds that's needed to show that you can study in Canada. Tip number 1: join a savings plan. In Jamaica, we call that a partner plan. Join a partner and ask for early payout so you can show in your application that you have enough funds that is needed. Tip number 2, guys, is to spend only on what you deem to be essential. Stop going out for food, stop going parties, anything that is considered to be leisure spending, stop. Save all that money, as you'll be surprised how much money you're able to save as long as you start cutting back on things that are not important and only start spending on what's really important. Tip number 3: sell your assets.